guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get things done with me video. Basically like a tackle my to-do list. I've made a to-do list. I will put a screenshot of it right here so you can see. I'm basically having a catch-up day. It's a Monday, we had a lovely weekend, but now I'm behind on everything. Really behind on bottles, dishes. I put some things on there that I've been putting off for a while, like propagating some plants. I would really like to get in Milo's room and do some dusting, laundry. Actually, yesterday I went grocery shopping, and when I came home I was having like a chill Sunday, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to deep clean this fridge, and I did, and it was incredible. But I only did the fridge side. I would love to get to the freezer side today because it needs it so bad. Just in general, picking up the kitchen. I need to schedule a grooming appointment. Maybe we'll go to Costco. We need to, I don't know. But I would really like to just reset, start fresh, and hopefully set us off on the right foot for the week. The dishwasher's full and I have more dishes in the sink I need to do before I can do bottles. So let's start there. So Milo is down for a second nap. Bradley is home now. We're going to go to Costco when the baby wakes up. We're all gonna go. It's gonna be fun. But for now, I'm going to make this bed, even though it's 3 p.m., whatever, better late than never, and put away my laundry, and then hopefully I'm not gonna get everything I wanted to get done. Maybe this will be a two-parter or a 2-day situation, but I'm hoping to pick up the kitchen a little bit and propagate those plants after this. chair in the bedroom. Seems like a lovely idea, but then it just ends up looking like this all the time because it's there and it's a place to put things, but let's fix that. We are en route to Costco. Let me zoom in on the baby feeds for you. Oh. What do we need at Costco, honey?
Chicken.
I think the person next to us is watching us vlog.
I don't care.
Okay, I thought I'd show you what we got at Costco. Lots of chicken, as we said. Got some avocado oil. Bradley got some wine, which he's already dug into. This was on sale, and I'm so excited about it. Just like a 12-pack of Annie's organic mac and cheese. You get 3 different kinds. This is our favorite. This was on sale, which I couldn't believe we got 2 of them. It's a 2-pack of the Honest shampoo and body wash. Not for you, Lou. But this is our favorite for bubbles. It's tear-free, so it doesn't burn his eyes. It makes great bubbles. It smells really good. It's like a lavender, so it's perfect before bed. We got 2 boxes of that, so we got 4 of those, technically. Of course, got Rouse sauce. We have a good back stock, but they tend to like have it until they don't. So we had 2 slots open in our, I don't think I've shown you guys this, but I made our Rouse thing fancy. So I'm gonna stock that up. We got some gallon-sized bags. We got the big thing of Kirkland tortilla strips. Probably got some pants, and I think that's it. This video is really gonna be all over the place. I'm trying to be quiet because currently all 3 of my boys are upstairs napping. Bradley, Milo, and Ludo are all snoozing. I did lay down, which is why I look a little disheveled, but I didn't feel like I needed to nap, so came back downstairs to work. As you saw, I was working a little bit in the kitchen this morning, but I got sidetracked when I decided to reorganize the pasta drawer. So I took out everything. In between Milo's 2 naps, we went to Home Goods. To be honest, I went to look for Halloween stuff. I went looking for a very specific like blanket I keep seeing on social media. It's like white with colorful ghosts, and I had a really good feeling I was gonna find it, and I did. They had Halloween stuff and they had Halloween blankets, but they didn't have that. But I did need a couple of bins, so I was like, we'll go check out the bins and the Halloween stuff. And I did get a couple of things. I ordered more of the it's this size bin, and I wanted something a little bit larger, even though it's not that much bigger. We'll see if it works, but I got this 2-pack, which was actually in my Amazon cart for like $20, and this was $12.99, and it's a set of 2, so that's great. Tidy up the kitchen was on my to-do list, so it kind of counts, but this will feel good when I can get, you know, the whole kitchen organized is the dream.